Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. And so today we're going to start our WhatsApp tutorial. We're going to create an app like WhatsApp, which will have the basic functionality of WhatsApp, the basic chat functionality and status. Okay, as usual, let's get started. On the Visual Studio Code, press Ctrl Shift P. Create your first Flutter project, new Flutter project. Let's give it a name. Let's name it Flutter. WhatsApp. Let's just name it WhatsApp. WhatsApp Flutter tutorial. Okay. So the Visual Studio Code will create the app. We should first declare where the project will be saved. Let's save it. You can save it anywhere you wish to. In my case, I'll save it in desktop for easy access. Okay. So by creating that, Flutter will do its Flutter create command, and it will generate all the files for the project. So let's wait and see. As you can see down here, Flutter create iOS language Swift, Android language Kotlin running. So guys, I hope you like this video, and make sure you like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel, because this is gonna be a fire. It's going to be a fire tutorial. It's gonna be lit. Running Flutter packages.get in Flutter WhatsApp Flutter tutorial. Okay guys, I'll have to pause the video right here, and I'll be back when it has completed creating the project. So guys, the project is ready. As you can see below, the application code is in lib main.dat. This is the main application code. If you run this application, it will bring up the counter application, which I'm sure most of you guys have seen. So to run the app, you can just press F5 if you're on Visual Studio Code, or just press run on your Android Studio or IntelliJ. And yeah, you should make sure you have a device connected before you can do anything with it. Yeah, let's press F5. Let's wait for the project to run so that we can use hot reload. So guys, initializing Gradle. Let's wait and see how it runs on the device. So guys, the app has already run on the device. So let's just view it. Let me open Visor. Okay, there it is guys. So here it is, the counter application I told you about. And yeah, so let's quickly go and start editing the application. We shall have to delete all these codes for the default application. Okay, let's start from here. Let's delete all these comments. And all these comments too. Let's go down. Let's delete this final variable. Let's delete this increment counter method. Let's delete this scaffold. Let's delete everything in this scaffold. Where does it end? Here. And also let's delete this code. So guys, that's basically it. We've created our first project, we have run it on the device. And so also let's remove this parameter. Okay, my home page is the main home class, and it will have to return some variables. So let's get started. Let's define the tabs. We all know that WhatsApp has 3 tabs, has 4 tabs: the camera, the chats, the status, and the calls tab. So first let's create the tabs. There will be final variables, final tabs, which will be a list of tabs. Let's create our first tab. The first tab, we're not going to include the camera tab right now. We'll do it in a later video. Let's give this, the first tab is usually the chats. Let's give it the name chats, the text chats. The second tab has the text, status, and the third tab has the text calls. Okay guys, yeah, and we'll also have to define the tab pages. The chats list view will have its own tab page, the calls will also be on their own tab page, and also the status will also be on its own tab page. So now we'll just declare some center widget with some text just to indicate how it is. We're just designing the basic structure of it. And so guys, I hope you like it. And okay, let's define also a final variable, final tab pages. Let's make it a small letter. Which is of type widget. Remember guys, in the first tabs variable, it is of type tab, or the tab pages will be of type widget, because in Flutter everything is a widget. So yeah, widget, which will be a list of type widget. So here guys, we'll just put some center widgets just to indicate to be there. We'll change it later. Center child, which will be a text. The first tab contains text name chats, will contain the chats. The second tab page will have the text, status, and the third page will have a child, text, calls. Okay guys, so that's basically it. We've defined the tab pages, and we are going to define the UI now. Before we go on, let's just change the color because it's blue. WhatsApp uses teal. Teal is a color, material color, which is used in our WhatsApp, the main color. That greenish color, it's teal. It's not specific, it's not teal is the closest color I know, which looks like it, so let's just use still. Let's clear these comments. And so guys, we're going to start on the main UI, design of the main UI. So since WhatsApp has a silver AppBar, an AppBar which auto hides, we'll have to define a custom scroll view. Okay guys, yeah, we'll have to define a custom scroll view, which is a custom scroll view. But first let's return a default tab controller. Tab no, let's not define the child first. Let's define its length first. Let's first put a semicolon. The length, its length will be the length of the tabs dot length, which will be 3 because I have 3 tabs, and its child will be a custom scroll view, as I told you guys earlier, because we have to implement a silver AppBar. A silver AppBar is just an AppBar which auto hides. Custom scroll view. Okay, we'll first define the silver AppBar. Sliver AppBar, not silver. Sliver. The slivers first, and let's create the sliver AppBar. Let's give it some properties. Snap. The snap property should be true because it's a boolean. Pinned, it will not be pinned, so let's let it be false. And floating, let it be true. Let's save hot reload and see how it appears on the device. It's not auto reloading. I don't know what's happening. Let's wait a little bit. Let's try to restart the app. Maybe hot reload is not working right now. Syncing files to device. We started application in 12.573 milliseconds. So guys, if you view my device right now, it has generated some AppBar, as you can see, which doesn't look very nice. That's basically because we are still building the UI, but you can see that teal color almost resembles the primary color used for WhatsApp. Okay guys, so in the sliver AppBar, let's give it a title whose text will be WhatsApp. title, which is a text. What's up? Let's save. Let's wait for the changes to appear. Yes, as you can see, hot reload is not working, and it has appeared. It appears just the same way it appears on the device. Okay guys, and let's define a bottom widget, a bottom property of the AppBar, which will contain the tabs, the tab controllers. Bottom, which will be a tab bar whose tabs will be the tabs we defined earlier. Okay guys, and after that, I think after that, yes guys, it's shaping up nice, it's coming out real nice. So you can navigate, you can tap on status, you can tap on calls, and it will change accordingly. And the custom score also has another property which called the sliver fill remain, which will fill the remaining space. That deck area you're seeing on the screen will fill that space with a widget that will define. So let's define that property. Sliver fill remaining. The child will be a tab bar view, whose children will be the tab pages we defined earlier. Let's save. Let's view the changes. Okay guys, so as you can see, we just put a plain text without any material background, so the text will appear this way, this ugly way, red and a yellow underline. So as you can see guys, when you swipe, you'll be able to see the calls, the status and the charts. So guys, this is where we'll define our chart list view. All the charts will appear on these charts, all the status will be shown on this tab page, and all the calls will be listed on this tab page. So guys, I hope you liked the video. I'm gonna stop it right there so that you guys can learn it. And this is the first tutorial of many other tutorials which is coming which will be a series of developing real world applications. I'll also be developing a music application, so stay tuned to the channel. If you'll be interested, make sure you comment, give me some suggestions of how you wish it to be, and yeah, make sure you like the video, share the video widely with your friends, and subscribe to the channel. Most importantly, I'll really appreciate it. And so guys, I think my time is up. See you in the next video.